Locked out of your ANKE DVR or NVR? Don't worry, the ANKE SADP tool is the most popular and official way to recover your forgotten passwords safely. To begin, you'll need a PC or laptop, your ANKE DVR connected to the same network, and the ANKE SADP tool installed. First, download and install the ANKE SADP tool on your computer. Now, open the SADP tool. It will automatically scan your network and detect your DVR. Select your DVR from the device list, then click the Forgot Password option. The software will generate either a QR code or a reset file that you'll send to ANKE support. Take a screenshot of the QR code or send the exported file to ANKE support for verification. Once verified, ANKE support will send you a reset file or temporary recovery code. Import the reset file back into the SADP tool and continue the recovery process. Finally, create a strong new password for your DVR or NVR. This method works on most ANKE DVR and NVR systems, including H.264 and H.265 models. If this guide helped you reset your ANKE DVR password, subscribe for more CCTV fixes, DVR tutorials, and security system solutions.